Hi future UNB students, today we're going to give a brief tutorial on how to navigate your MyUNB portal at Microsoft 365. We're going to start off by accessing your MyUNB portal. This can be done by going to www.unb.ca and clicking on UNB faculty, staff, and students in the top ribbon. From this drop-down menu, select the option My UNB Portal. This will take you to the login page. If you haven't claimed your UNB login credentials, you will need to do this before going any further. Logging in will take you to the My UNB portal. Log in using the login ID provided in your acceptance letter and your chosen password. Once inside the My UNB portal, the main navigation menu can be found going down the left-hand side of the page. Here you will find your email, Microsoft 365 tools, and e-services. The remainder of this video will give you a brief overview of each of these tools. First, we will start with email. This is located near the top of the page on the left-hand side. Click on the email tab. This will open as a new tab and bring you to your UNB Outlook. For first-time users who have just claimed your account, it may take a few hours for the email setup to be completed. It should be noted that the UNB email is the official way that many of our offices communicate with our students. Certain departments, such as the Office of the Registrar, will only use the UNB email for communicating with students electronically. It is important to check your email frequently. On this screen, you will have the option to view your emails as well as to view your scheduled team classes for your online classes. Returning to your MyUNB portal and scrolling down, in the left column, click the Office 365 button. This will open a new tab. Here you will see the Microsoft Suite as an online platform. To the far right of the screen, you will see Teams. By clicking on Teams, it will open a new tab, and here you will be able to view your teams that are the courses you are registered in. By selecting Calendar in the left column, it allows you to view the scheduled meeting times for your classes, and by selecting the event, you have the option to join your online meeting. Once you open the event, select Join in the top right-hand corner. You will then have the option to join the room. This can be done even when the class is not in session, as you're seeing here. Moving back to the MyUNB portal, when you scroll down in the middle column, you will see the MyUNB News section. Here you will find information about what's happening within the UNB community, as well as events that are happening on your campus. The final thing I will show you in this video is where you can find your e-services. This is located in the left column. By clicking on this, it will open a new tab. Inside of e-services, you can find your academic and financial services, such as class schedules, exam schedules, and forms like confirmation of enrollment. Be sure to watch the next video to learn more about your e-services.